Welcome to QuickHub. In this video, we'll show you how to use a predefined user journey, a smart way to automate actions like responding to reviews or creating posts in just a few clicks. Start by opening QuickHub and navigating to the user journey section. Click on the Respond to Review user journey to get started. This journey helps you automate how your business handles customer reviews efficiently. Next, click on Create Post to generate a response or social post directly from the user journey. QuickHub will automatically suggest content based on your business and the type of review received. Once you're happy with the suggestion, click on Approve Suggested Task. QuickHub will instantly execute the task, posting your response or content automatically. And that's it. You've successfully used a predefined user journey in QuickHub to automate your response process. With user journeys, you can save time and ensure every customer interaction is consistent and on brand. Stay tuned for more QuickHub tutorials to help you streamline your workflow.